Hello my art viewers, welcome back to my channel and you are seeing the art of inside impressions and today's topic is MS Dhoni. So this is on ivory sheet of A4 size and this is not super smooth but it is having little texture. So in completing meal skin and meal portrait, you really require this little texture paper in order to get that rough skin texture look. So when you deal with female portraits, you want super smooth paper because to give that smooth skin and all, the skin texture is really smooth for female and hence you want super smooth paper. So this is a pro tip you need to remember, and yes, according to your artwork and according to your portrait, you need to just shift your brand, shift your texture, so that is cold pressed or hot pressed papers. So in this way we are going and we are working with the charcoal powder and charcoal pencils maximum. So we will use just 10% of graphite pencils in this artwork because it is really easy when you want to blend easily. Then you need to pick charcoal pencils and charcoal powder than the graphite. So here I picked charcoal powder because the cap and everything is clearly dark and I wanted to work on charcoal and I wanted to explore little bit on charcoal because our previous works are all of graphite and hence I want to try this charcoal. And if you are seeing this channel for the first time, you can watch many videos and nearly 150 plus videos are already on my channel, so please go subscribe and do watch it. Coming back to our artwork, this artwork is really challenging and it was really challenging to do. So especially I need to talk about the shadows part and the light effect. So that part was really tough and his eye speaks a lot. So to provide the exact eyes, it took me really much time in doing that, and the depth in his eye is really super amazing, and this was the challenging part. So there were several errors before, but after behind the scenes and behind the screen, I modified and I added little depth more behind the screen. So here I want to say other point is the work you provide at a time will not be right. So you need to once again cross check your work and you need to measure things lately and you need to see whether it is coming up to the mark or not. So what I do is whenever I record my video, so this art video, so I can't see the things properly, and just after once I'm done with the video, I'll just click few pictures from different angles and I try to collage them like reference image and my artwork. So from this collage pic you will get the exact differences. Once you get the exact differences, I'll keep a mark or keep a note on it, and then next day I will start with the corrections. So this is a process I'm following from many days and it is really effective when you compare your pic with the reference. When you collate the everything errors and corrections, you can do super good. Okay, so I will just do this process with every pic. Maybe it is small or maybe it is large or anything, it doesn't matter, but I'll collage and I'll compare my own results. Okay, so you need to practice this type of process in order to see your enhancement in your artwork. So if you agree with me, the comparison will build your skills or enhance your skills. Do comment below and see me whatever practices you'll follow and whatever things you'll do to see your enhancement in your artwork. So I hope you love this video, and I know Mahendra Singh Dhoni is your favorite cricketer, and for all CSK and Dhoni fans, this video is to you, and please do watch it and share it with your friends, family and your fans. Yes, and yes, we'll just speed up the process. Here I'm already doing it, but I'll add little track and I'll leave, and I'm done for the day. And yes, okay, I missed one point. So lately I want to say, here this art took me a span of 2 days, and it took really like 12 hours, approximately 12 hours, not less than 12 hours, but it is greater than 12 hours. And this was super tough artwork till now to me. So final pics and final results of this artwork, the pictures will be added at the last of this video. So at the end I'll add few pictures, so please do watch it completely. And yes, I'm here to share more cricketers artwork, and please be stay connected, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy, and happy learning. And bye.